Hi, my name is Miss Flor, and this is my daughter Anna, and yes, she's eating paint. So today I'm going to share with you how to make paint that it is safe to eat. So let's make some edible paint. I'm only using 4 ingredients. The cinnamon sticks are optional. We also need water and cornstarch. You could also add a sweetener to give it more flavor. In a little pot, combine water and cinnamon sticks. Let it boil for a couple of minutes and then remove the cinnamon sticks. Add the cornstarch dissolved in water. Mix well, let it cool off, and then add food coloring of your choice. I'm using apple and violet skin-safe food coloring for red and purple. Now let's have some fun. Now let's let our children use their imagination and make some yummy art. And don't worry, the stains will go away. If you like this video and would like to see more activities like this, please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching and see you soon.